Hi guys, welcome to the Dream Awakening. In this video, you will understand the difference between other candles and red candle. You will understand how to use and when to use it. Only if you watch this video from beginning to the end. The red candle is a symbol of power and love. How to use it. If you are seeking spiritual strength, the red candle should be your closest companion. Always pray with it to draw divine power into your life. For love and bonding, the red candle works beautifully. Husbands and wives or partners in a relationship can pray with it to strengthen their union and keep their love burning strong. For spiritualists, when it comes to love work, the best candle to use is the red candle. It carries deep energy for connection and passion. And for marriages that feel weak, when love seems to be fading, engage in midnight prayers with your red candle. Through this, lost affection can return, and love will rise again. Another powerful use is in back-to-sender prayers. Take a coconut, write the person's name on it. Write the same name on a red candle. At midnight, remove every garment. Place the candle on the coconut and light it. Pray using Psalms 140, 35, 7, and 121. When you finish, put off the candle and keep it with the coconut. Repeat this prayer for 7 nights. On the last day, go out to the road and break the coconut. Those who fight against you will face the power of God, and justice will answer them. The red candle is truly powerful. These are just a few ways to use it, but we'll continue with more another time. If you find this video helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for more video like this. And click on the arrow button to share with your families and friends.